is update 2 on Tropical Storm Haitang, Philippine name Huaning. The details on Haitang, Huaning, as of 2 o'clock Eastern Time on Sunday, July 30th, 2017. The location is 21.7 degrees north, 120.2 degrees east. The winds are at 40 miles an hour and its pressure is at 990 millibars. It's moving north-northeast at a whopping 19 miles an hour. It's moving pretty fast. The next international name is Nalgi, and the next big asset name is Issan. This is its track, bearing down on Taiwan right now after last night local time. VSAT made landfall. It's inland China right now, but we're focused on Haitang. It's very close to the Taiwanese coast, and then once it makes landfall, it will then make landfall in China sometime tomorrow. Now, it's not a strong system, most likely because it's interacting with VSATs, but these pair of cyclones are impacting the same areas, so there will probably be a lot of rain, a lot of wind. This one, thankfully, will not be as strong, but it's got a lot of rain with it, so Taiwan, China, please prepare for this storm. Taiwan, it's already drenching you. Parts of the northern Philippines are also getting impacted with some of the outer bands. Sea surface temperatures are pretty warm. They're at about 28, 29 degrees Celsius. It's almost on Taiwan, where then it will start to weaken. I actually think it will make landfall in China as a tropical depression, mainly because it's interacting with Taiwan. So that's probably why I think it will weaken a bit. Wind shear is neutral. It's actually marginal where it is. It's increasing to its east, which is probably going to be a problem. It's also increasing to its south, and that's really it. It's decreasing ahead of the storm once it makes landfall in China. You can also see VSAT on the screen as well. Satellite imagery. Looks like it's almost over Taiwan. That's what they're going for. Some of the outer bands even reaching China, and some of the outer band Taiwan. It looks a lot more organized than it was yesterday. Yesterday I couldn't even really find a center of the storm. Today I can. It's right offshore Taiwan. Also a couple outer bands impacting the Philippines, but they will not get the bulk of the storm. Taiwan and China will. So if you're there, just hunker down and just ride out the storm. If you need more details, you should visit the NOAA website or download the free app at the link on a mobile phone or tablet or something like that. The website's at the link below. There may be another update on Tropical Storm Haitang Huaning tomorrow. Probably not, because it's probably going to be inland China. It'll be Monday, July 21st, 2017. Thank you for watching this video, and prepare for this storm.